Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. It's Dipesh and you are watching Dipesh YouTube channel. And if you are new in my YouTube channel, do subscribe and don't forget to press in the bell icon to get all the notification from my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you to create amazing and awesome and professional identity card in Microsoft Word. So if you want to also create those types of identity card in Microsoft Word, then you have to watch this entire video to create those types of identity card. So if you want to make that one, just follow all the steps which is mentioned in this tutorial. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So guys, welcome to you all in my computer screen. So I'm inside Microsoft Word, and without any late, let's begin to create beautiful identity card. So first of all, I'm going to in the insert. Okay, so after that you have to select the shapes, and I am selecting a rectangle shape. Okay, now after that just you have to drag another shape also. So I am just dragging another shapes. Okay, and I am changing the color and I'm making it like this. Okay, and I'll make it this type of color. Okay, and I'm increasing the size. After that, just you have to drag a rectangle shape, triangle shape. So I am just increasing the size of this one like this. Okay, and I am just removing the lines from here. I'm making it no outline. So again, I'm going to insert and shapes, and I'm dragging a triangle like this. Okay, and okay, yeah, like that. And again, I'm just dragging it like this. Okay, then after that, just you have to draw a circle from here. So I'm just drawing a circle by pressing shift, yeah, like this, and I am just changing the color also. Okay, so again I am just copying this one by pressing Ctrl. Okay, yeah, like that. Now after that, just I'm using a QR code. Sorry, I think I need to use a image here inside here. Okay, so for this one I'm just going here in the web browser, and I'm just typing 𝗧𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏.com, and from here I'll download a vector element. Okay guys, so after downloading the 𝗧𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏.com, so I'm inserting that image here. Okay, so before that one, I have to go here in the save field, and just you have to click in the pictures. Okay, so I am just selecting the picture. Okay, but it is not selecting in this time. I think my Microsoft Word is taking too much load, so I am clicking in the picture, and it will take a little of the time. Okay, so but for this one you have to download your picture, and it is telling me that please wait while we load pictures. It is telling me like that. Okay, so I think I need to click here in the Word offline. Okay guys, so after that I am just using that image from here. Okay, so now you can see here my image is coming inside my shapes. Okay, so now we can see here my image came inside. Okay, and I'm resizing this one from here. Okay, and I'm making it the shape outline color is white color, and I'm just changing the width also from here like this. Okay, it is too much big, so I'm making it like this. Okay, and after that, in the last, I'm just typing a spew text here. So first of all, I'm dragging a text box like this. Okay, and I'm just going to type here few things. Okay, so first of all, I'll type name. Okay, sorry, first of all I'll type ID number. Okay, then the ID number should be like this. Then after that I am just typing DOB, sorry, yeah, and it should be, yeah, like this. Then I am just using the email, and email should be @example.com. okay, and I am decreasing the size also from here like that, and I am okay, so now I am putting a phone number. Phone number should be like this. Okay, again I am just deleting the hyperlink from here. Okay, so I think I should to change this one, so I am just changing the hyperlink from here. So I am just going in the insert and clicking in the hyperlink. Okay, so I think I should to remove link, and so now we can see the link is removed. And after that, okay, so in this way, so I created this thing. So now I am just going to use a word and bringing a text here, and I am just giving it, okay, so your and name. Okay, yeah, like this, and I am just bringing it here, and I am just decreasing the size, yeah, like that, and I am just bringing this one here. Okay, so I am just going to resize this one from this side also, yeah, like this. Okay, and I am just copying this one by pressing Ctrl, and I am just giving here job title. Okay, and I am again decreasing the size, okay, like this, and I will again decrease the size like this. Okay, so I think I should do again decrease size. Okay, and I'll change the color from here. From the text field I am just making it yellow. Okay, and again I am just changing it from here yellow. Okay, so I think my color combination is not looking good, so that's why I'm just changing the few colors. So I'm going here in web browser, and I'm just using colors.adobe.com. so you can use the colors from here as per your requirement. So I'm just using few colors. Okay, so now we can see, I think I should do, okay, so I think I need to use those colors, and it will give me the different types of the looks. Okay, so I am just copying this one. I think it should work. Okay, and I think so from here I'm just going here in the shape fill and clicking in the mode fill color. Okay, so here it's giving me only RGB color. So I think if I went inside here, so now we can see it is giving me the RGB. So I'm just copying this one, 25,255. Okay, so I am just going here, sorry, mode fill color 25,255 and 251. Okay, then after that just click in the OK. So now you can see here the color is changed, right? Now I want to use this color, so for this one 23,232. Okay, so 23,232 and 53. So just go here and go to shape fill and click in the mode fill color, and 22, then 232, then 23, like that, right? Sorry, 53. So 53, and it should be 23. Okay, yeah, like that. Then I'm just clicking in the OK, and I'm just removing this one, and I'm just giving the safe effects from here. So I think I should to use shape effects like this. Okay, and again I am just using another shape effects here, so it will give different types of the looks. Okay, so in this way you can also create amazing type of the identity card. So after that I'm using, okay, so I think I should to use a barcode. Okay, so just wait for a moment. For this one, just go to in the insert and click in the pictures. So I'm using this barcode. Okay, so just resize it. Okay, click in the wrap text, click in the in front of text, and just bring it here and resize it like this. Okay, so after that, so I am just using another shapes. Okay, so for this one I think I should use a triangle again. So insert, go to in the shapes, and again you have to use this type of the triangle. Okay, and I think I should to drag it from here. Okay, then I am just dragging it from here, and I am just decreasing the size, and again changing the color. So from here, from the shape fill, I am just giving color this one and making it the shape color, no outline. Okay, then in the last I think I should to decrease the size of the line spacing. So from here just clicking the remove space after paragraph, and I think I should to make it 1.5. Okay, so I am just resizing it from here and bringing the this barcode here. Okay, so now you can see here I created a beautiful identity card. Okay, so in this way you can also create a barcode. So after that I am just copying this one and pasting it. Okay, and I am just changing a color. So I think I should to go to in the format and the shape fill. So I am just using this one and clicking the send backward. Okay, send backward, and just make it bring to front. Okay, so in this way you can also easily create an image also. So now you can see I created different types of the identity card. So after that select all the objects. So I'm selecting all the objects and go in the format and group and just click in the group. So in this way you can create amazing and awesome professional identity card in Microsoft Word. Thank you so much for watching this video, hoping that you get ideas to create amazing and awesome identity card in Microsoft Word. So if you want to create those types of identity card, then let me know in the comment sections. I'll make a separate video on that topic also. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye. See you again.